Welcome back to TVJ's All Together Sing. Now remember that one choir will be sent back to school next week. So to ensure your favorite choir makes it to the grand finale, start voting right now. Our top four are giving us a double dose of musical magic tonight with something old and something new. We've seen two choirs so far, and here's our third. Straight out of central Manchester, and here to give us a musical thrill. Give it up for the big, bad Bellefield!
Summer's disregard, arrogant matter time, and one man soul. They follow each other on the wind, you know, 'cause they got nowhere to go. That's why I want you to know. Between the eyes, you're paralyzed. This is thriller night. From the beast of conscious strength, you know it's thriller night. Your heart is full like a shatter, killer, thriller tonight. Touch me, and I feel alright.
Bellefield, your female lead singer gave me chills.
Yes.
I mean, I had to remember that I was a part of a competition, so I had to control myself. But you can sing.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can sing. The choir is ready. The choir is ready. It seems as if you are ready to take the trophy.
Yeah, Bellefield, you know, when you have a competition, as I always say, you have to look at what stands out. And this song was a surprise because year after year after year, people sing reggae songs, they sing ballads, they sing songs, and then for you to attempt Michael Jackson's song, Michael Jackson of blessed memory, he would have been glad to hear the arrangement on this song. The sweetest part of this medley, though, is when you crossed over I'll Be There and Man in the Mirror. That is genius, right? So, well, I wish you the best. I can just wish that you win. I don't know.
We will.
Okay.
All the way already crowned the choir with the most animated director. Will they be crowned this year's winner, though? If you believe Bellefield High should be here next week, then call or text VOTE to 444-8803.